Imagine stepping into a motorhome that feels less like an RV and more like a 5-star luxury penthouse on wheels. The 2027 Newell P50 Luxury Motorhome represents the highest level of craftsmanship, engineering, comfort, and technology available in the world of custom-built motor coaches. Every inch of this coach has been designed to deliver an unmatched travel experience for owners who refuse to compromise on luxury, performance, or convenience. From its striking exterior styling to its handcrafted interior, the Newell P50 is built to impress whether it is parked at an exclusive RV resort or traveling across the country. The first thing that captures attention is its commanding presence. Stretching approximately 45 feet in length, the coach looks elegant yet incredibly powerful. Smooth aerodynamic body lines blend with premium paint finishes that shine beautifully under daylight. The front fascia features modern LED headlights, signature daytime running lights, and a sleek windshield that provides outstanding visibility. Large side mirrors, polished chrome accents, flush-mounted storage doors, and beautifully integrated slide-outs create an appearance that is both sophisticated and functional. Unlike mass-produced motorhomes, every Newell P50 is individually built according to customer preferences. Buyers can personalize nearly every aspect of the coach, including exterior colors, cabinetry, flooring materials, furniture layouts, entertainment systems, lighting themes, appliances, and technology packages. This level of customization ensures that no two Newell coaches are exactly alike. Powering the 2027 Newell P50 is a heavy-duty Cummins turbo diesel engine producing approximately 600 horsepower and enormous torque. While horsepower numbers are impressive, torque is what truly matters in a motorhome of this size. The engine provides effortless acceleration, confident highway cruising, and enough pulling power to climb steep mountain grades without feeling strained. The engine works together with an Allison automatic transmission known throughout the commercial trucking industry for durability and smooth shifting. Gear changes happen almost seamlessly, allowing passengers to enjoy a quiet and comfortable ride while the drivetrain efficiently delivers power to the wheels. Driving such a large coach may sound intimidating, but Newell engineers have invested heavily in advanced driving technology. Independent front suspension, premium air suspension, automatic leveling systems, electronic stability controls, and precision steering all work together to make the motorhome surprisingly easy to handle. Even during long-distance travel, the suspension absorbs road imperfections exceptionally well, creating a smooth ride that feels closer to a luxury touring bus than a traditional RV. Another impressive feature is the active air leveling system. One of the defining characteristics of the Newell P50 is its 4 large slide-outs. Once extended, the interior transforms into an incredibly spacious living environment. Instead of feeling confined, occupants enjoy open walkways, generous seating areas, and residential-style comfort that rivals luxury apartments. Stepping through the entrance door immediately reveals meticulous craftsmanship. Premium hardwood cabinetry is carefully handcrafted by skilled artisans. Every cabinet closes softly and aligns perfectly. Natural stone countertops, polished finishes, luxury flooring, decorative lighting, and custom furniture create an atmosphere rarely found inside any recreational vehicle. The living room is designed for relaxation and entertainment. Plush leather sofas offer exceptional comfort during long evenings. Many seating arrangements convert into additional sleeping spaces when guests arrive. Large smart televisions provide crystal-clear entertainment, while premium surround sound systems deliver immersive audio whether watching movies, sporting events, or streaming online content. Large panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light during the day while offering breathtaking views of mountains, lakes, forests, deserts, or beaches depending on your destination. Power shades allow occupants to control privacy and sunlight with the push of a button. Climate control throughout the coach remains outstanding thanks to multiple air conditioning systems and efficient heating systems. Individual temperature zones allow different areas of the motorhome to remain at separate comfort levels according to passenger preferences. Moving into the kitchen reveals appliances comparable to those found in luxury homes. A residential refrigerator provides generous storage for groceries. The induction cooktop offers fast and efficient cooking while remaining safer than traditional gas burners. Built-in convection microwave ovens, full-size dishwashers, premium sinks, elegant faucets, and extensive countertop space make meal preparation enjoyable rather than challenging. Storage solutions have clearly been designed with full-time travelers in mind. Deep drawers, pull-out pantry shelves, overhead cabinets, hidden compartments, and dedicated appliance storage ensure every item has its place without cluttering the living space. Dining areas combine elegance with practicality. Beautiful tables comfortably accommodate family meals, business meetings, or casual coffee breaks while traveling. Premium seating materials remain comfortable even during extended conversations. Adjacent to the bedroom sits one of the most luxurious bathrooms available in any motorhome. Marble-inspired finishes, premium fixtures, large illuminated mirrors, elegant vanities, spacious showers with rainfall showerheads, residential toilets, and generous storage create an experience comparable to upscale hotels. Heated flooring and premium ventilation further enhance comfort. The Newell P50 also performs exceptionally well in varying weather conditions. Advanced insulation helps maintain interior comfort during both extremely hot summers and freezing winter conditions. Heated holding tanks and protected plumbing extend usability throughout the year. Maintenance accessibility has also been thoughtfully engineered. Service points remain organized for technicians, helping reduce maintenance complexity while improving long-term reliability. Despite its size, the Newell offers remarkable maneuverability. Advanced steering geometry, camera systems, parking sensors, and multiple exterior cameras provide excellent visibility when navigating campgrounds or parking areas. Drivers quickly gain confidence after spending time behind the wheel. Long-distance touring is where the Newell truly shines. The combination of powerful performance, quiet cabin, luxurious seating, premium suspension, and residential comfort allows travelers to cover hundreds of miles in a single day without feeling exhausted. Another reason buyers choose Newell is exclusivity. Production numbers remain extremely limited compared to mainstream RV manufacturers. Owning one places you among a select group of enthusiasts who appreciate handcrafted luxury and personalized engineering. Attention to detail appears everywhere. Cabinet doors align perfectly. Lighting transitions smoothly. Furniture stitching remains flawless. Flooring materials fit seamlessly. Every component reflects precision craftsmanship rather than mass production. For full-time RV living, the Newell P50 provides nearly everything needed to replace a traditional home. Spacious living areas, complete kitchen facilities, luxury bedroom accommodations, residential bathroom comforts, advanced technology, generous storage, and dependable power systems create a self-contained lifestyle capable of supporting months of continuous travel. Whether exploring national parks, coastal highways, mountain passes, luxury RV resorts, or remote scenic destinations, the coach adapts effortlessly to changing environments while maintaining exceptional comfort. Luxury motorhomes are ultimately about freedom. The freedom to wake up beside an ocean one week and in the mountains the next without sacrificing the comforts of home. The Newell P50 embodies that philosophy better than almost any other recreational vehicle currently available. Although its price places it among the world's most expensive motorhomes, owners are investing in far more than transportation. The 2027 Newell P50 Luxury Motorhome represents the pinnacle of premium RV design. Every journey becomes an event, every destination feels like home, and every mile reminds you why Newell continues to stand among the most respected names in luxury motorhomes. For travelers seeking uncompromising quality, breathtaking craftsmanship, powerful performance, and world-class comfort, the Newell P50 sets a benchmark that few competitors can hope to equal.